we covered very clearly about okay, what is HTML, how you can define form, how you can create tables, forms, lists, all those things, radio buttons, checkboxes, everything we covered, right? Next sir, here just okay, what is the next cinema we have to talk? Even I hope I told how you can install Atom. Okay, like it's a very easy thing. Okay, is the very easy thing for you people, right? You are not required to worry. Okay, the very easy to use. Okay, now here just let me close, let me launch my okay, this is just let me launch this one. Okay, like sir, this is my Atom. Okay, like sir, now here just observe a bit very carefully. Open folder or add project folder. Okay, like sir, now here just observe D drive. Okay, D drive. Okay, like next Django. There is one folder is there, Django, like there is one sub one folder is there, sir. Okay, named with the okay, like so no items yet. 1 minute, sir. There is one folder I want to use. Yeah, the drive, the Django matrimonial folder is there. Okay, just like cut. Yes, here observe a bit very carefully about this one. I have one folder is there named with the matrimonial. Okay, let me open that folder in the Atom. Okay, sir, here just open yard project folder form.css. Don't worry about that. Okay, I'm not going to use that CSS because CSS not yet covered. Okay, next here the Django, here Durga matrimonial, select a folder. Okay, observe a bit carefully. In this folder already okay, some files are available. Okay, now my requirement is let me create one more folder. Okay, Durga matrimonial 1. Okay, because this is the project I want to develop, Durga. Okay, Durga matrimonial one. Okay, like I'm trying to take, sir, Durga matrimonial 1. Okay, now my question here is okay, let me add that folder also. Okay, add project folder. Yes, Durga matrimonial 1. It is the empty folder. Have you observed, right? It is the empty folder what I have. Okay, like sir, in this folder nothing is there. Sir, first let me check how it is going to work, because this application is already there with me. Let me open home.html. Yes, this is the home.html. Let me open. Welcome to Durga matrimonial. Okay, we are specialized like we are getting. Click here to register. Click here to register. Whenever I click then automatically a registration form is coming. Have you observed, right? Registration form is coming. Next, after filling this registration form, okay, just observe name Durga, email address Durga TOC, enter age some 60. Are you interested in dating? Yes. Your expectations like Katrina Kaif, Karina Kapoor, okay, Sunny Leone, like Katrina Kaif, how many marriages you want? Some 4 marriages. Are you heavy alcoholic? Yes. Okay, your preferences, nothing, no special preferences, register. Okay, now some page by default you are going to get. Yes, have you observed, right? Something like can I use the word, is it a small mini application kind of thing? Sir, it is a home page. It is a home page. Next, and after that registration form, and then sir, after completing this one, then automatically registration successful. You will get the details soon, like a result page we are going to get. So here in this example, okay, so if you only missing thing in this example is styling is missing. Okay, styling is missing, sir. One thing, styling is missing. First thing is. Second thing is, sir, functionality is missing. Functionality is missing. Just only screens are coming. Functionality is missing because whenever I click this one, whenever I enter data, now this data should be saved somewhere in the database, somewhere in the database, and based on is expectations, based on is data. Now the corresponding result page I have to display. So if you want to add that functionality, what extra work I have to do is for the backend is required. Okay, are you getting right? Backend is required backend. So functionality is missing means backend is missing. If you can add Django, sir, with this HTML and CSS for styling, then beautiful full-fledged real-time application it will become, sir. Are you getting the point? Okay, but anyway, these are things we are going to discuss in detail next level. That's why, so don't worry, don't worry about okay, this styling kind of thing, functionality backend how it is going to be processed. This part we are going to discuss in detail, right? But as of now, so HTML related things we have to familiar, right? Okay, matrimonial. Okay, yep, let me develop this one, sir. Okay, can I start the cinema? Can you please confirm? Okay, now here my requirement is first I have to go for, okay, this home page, home.html. This is the home page I have to display. I have to go for, right? Okay, now let me go to Atom. Okay, this one is not my requirement, it's already there. Okay, I don't want matrimonial one. Is it possible to delete the folder, remove project folder? Okay, like yes, you can add project folder, remove project folder, ignore. Sir, here this is my folder. Like now, right click new file, home dot html I'm taking, sir. Yeah, home page is ready. Okay, home page is ready, sir. Now here html like this I'm taking. Yes, perfect html, right? Now here title, okay, Durga. Okay, just observe that Durga matrimonial. Okay, so Durga matrimonial, like I'm taking, sir. Sir, now here just observe. Anyone, can you please tell how to increase the font here? Yeah. How you can increase the font in the Atom? Yes. Anyone, can you please confirm? There is a settings will be there. Okay, editor font. If you want, there is a setting is there. Don't worry. Is there any shortcut for that? Is there any shortcut for that? Yes. Here I hope it is control plus plus. Just observe that someone is telling control plus plus. Okay, like the font is control minus means it's going to be reduced. Control plus itself the font is going to be increased. Yeah, is it clear, right? Control plus to increase the font. Okay, now here see this one. Now my requirement is I want okay, sir, this is already application which is developed. Regarding this one I want, sir. So forget about the color, these kind of things I told, right? Forget about color. I don't want to worry about color. Okay, first I want this one. What is this? Anyone, can you please confirm what is this tag? What this tag? What is this tag, sir? This tag itself is a h1 tag. Okay, now let me write okay, let me take h1 tag, h1. Okay, like sir, now here just I'm taking welcome to Durga matrimonial. Okay, like sir, how we can get this one? Have you remembered? Somewhere I told, right? Okay, how to open this one? Okay, copy full path. If you want copy full path, there is a shortcut is also there. Control shift c, control shift c, then automatically path is ready. Open that, open this one. Then yes, this first line is ready. Okay, this is the page what we are developing. This is the thing is already available. Okay, well, sir, now my next question is, what is this one, sir? Can I use the word this one is what? Yeah. Sir, what is this one? This one itself is what? Okay, image tag, image tag, right? Sir, how you can insert image? First, let me get the image. Sir, where this image is there? Okay, mat.png. This is the image, right? Copy. Let me add here, sir. This is my project folder. Okay, let me add. Now, sir, image is also there. Okay, don't worry. Sir, here my requirement is img image source mat.png alternate will be uploaded soon. Okay, like by mistake, if it is missing, if my image is missing, then will be uploaded soon. Okay, like I'm trying to take. Yes, Venkatramana, we covered already this one. ALT means alternate. By mistake, if this image is missing, then automatically we have to take care. Okay, like, yeah, the people we covered already this image tag. What is the ALT, like, yeah. Now, okay, that's it. Sir, let me cross check in our home page. Okay, in our home page, image is coming or not? Yes, image is coming. So don't worry much about, sir, with the size, style, all these things, you are not required to worrying. Okay, like, yes. Okay, now the next thing what I have to take care is, okay, here this is, sir, image is also coming, sir. Sir, what is the next one? Okay, here this one is okay. Next image is also okay. Next, we are specialized in the following areas. Okay, like, yeah. Mm, there is a small clarity I have to provide for you people. Yeah, this is full stack web development with the Django sessions only. Yeah, the part of that first 20 sessions we have to talk about UI technologies. In that HTML we are discussing. Raviraj and any new members are there in this session. Next, after completing this session, I will share the previous batch, previous class videos so that you can refer. Yeah, okay, if any new members are there, please, it is the continuation of HTML, whatever I covered in the last sessions. 5 to 6 classes already completed. Yes, this is the 6th or 7th class which is running on HTML. Any new members are there? Yeah, please, any new members are there? This is the 6th class on HTML. Okay, this is just wait, I will share at last the last 6 classes videos so that you can refer those videos, so that you won't face any problem for the continuation. That's it. Okay, please listen. I hope HTML basic idea for everyone it is there. Just have a look once. Okay, that's it. Yeah, sir, now here what is this one? This is not a heading kind of thing. Just observe that this is not heading kind of thing. It may be, sir, it is the paragraph tag. Okay, we are specialized in the following areas. Okay, here just observe that carefully. So this one is image is ready. Next, paragraph tag. In the paragraph, we are specialized in the following areas. Okay, like I took this one, sir. Sir, now which areas? Okay, late marriages, early marriages, second or third marriages, okay, dating come marriages. Okay, like, sir, this is a list of marriages are there. Okay, can I use the word, is it ordered list or unordered list? Anyone, can you please confirm? Is it ordered list or unordered list? Yeah, respond. It is unordered list because bullets are there. There is no numbering. It is a unordered list. What I have to take is, let me here just let me take. So unordered list, in that list item, have you remembered list item? Okay, now the first list item is, sir, this is, okay, late marriages. Second list item, okay, Here there is one small shortcut I have to tell. Sir, if I can select this, listen very carefully, sir. If it is not anchor tag, it is not anchor tag, just normal text only, but in the list form it is displaying. Okay, it is a normal list, normal list only. Here one small thing, I have to take again list item, correct, right? Again list item, I have to copy. Okay, this message I require to copy for this, but here there is one shortcut is there, control shift D. Okay, legend, observe carefully, what is that shortcut? Can you please observe? Control shift D, shift D. Okay, what is this one here? It is going to print the current line again, again. Okay, like, sir, control shift D, print the current line again. Okay, like, so if I can use control shift D, yes, have you observed any number of lines you can take? Now my question is, of course these many things are not required, only 4 things are enough. Okay, only 4 things are enough. Now second and third marriages, okay, like you can. Next, sir, dating come, okay, dating come marriages, like, here you can take. Yeah, clear, right? Yes, sir, this is unordered list. Okay, now have a look once. Yeah, am I going to get that list or not? Okay, perfect. Late marriages, early marriages, second and third marriages, dating come marriages, like we are getting. Then some people may ask, sir, here it is coming in the red color, but here also it is coming in the blue color. Why this is happened, sir? Like, some people may ask the question. So what is the reason for that? CSS is the reason. Okay, CSS itself is the reason. Let me open home.html. Okay, here either any link for CSS is available or not, please confirm. Link for CSS is already there, because of that it is coming, sir. Let me remove that link because we don't know about CSS, right? Let me remove that link. If I remove the, let me refresh, automatically it will come just like a normal. Have you observed? This is I'm going to develop this one, but anyway it is my original thing. Okay, now at last, click here to register. But then click here to register, like, we have. Can I use the word, is it a hyperlink or not? Hey, is it anchor tag or not? Yes, it is the anchor tag. What is the, how you can do, how you can create anchor tags, sir? Yes, a anchor tag, HR, here the text is, click here to register. Okay, well, sir, now I have to provide. Okay, I require to provide. If I click this one, to which page it will go? Compulsory you require to define the target page. Remember this one, sir. Next page link I have to take. Even is it possible to take website URL? Yeah, please confirm, is it possible to take website URL? Yes, why not? Happily you can take, no problem, right? But here let me define, sir, click here to register. Okay, let me create a new file, register.html. Okay, register.html. But here let me take that register.html, sorry, register.html, like I took this one, sir. So is this one will go to the page or not? One minute, html. Okay, so registration form, Durga matrimonial registration form, Durga matrimonial. Okay, registration form. Okay, like I'm taking, sir, form. Okay, this is, so just Durga matrimonial registration form. Let me take here h1 tag, h1 tag, like I'm taking, sir. That's all. Is really is this, if I click this one, automatically is it going to the register.html or not? I have to cross check. Okay, like now observe carefully. This is Durga Matrimonial 1 home.html is my page. Okay, refresh. Now boss anchor tag is also coming. Click here to register. Yes, Durga Matrimonial registration form. Yeah, wonderful. Spelling mistake. Registration form. Durga Matrimonial registration form. Yeah, clear, right? Are you feeling comfortable? ALT attribute in the tag for IMG. ALT attribute is there. Okay, all these tags and attributes are predefined. ALT is there for SRC, I mean image. Okay, I don't think here ALT. Okay, maybe alternate. 1 minute. What is the anchor tag attributes? HTML anchor tag attributes. Someone is asking if the link is not available. Okay, how we can specify? Do you have any alternative kind of thing or not? Here just a browser attributes, download file name, a href media ping. Okay, alternate other bookmark external help specify relation between no target blank self top type. No, we are not having that attribute. Okay, don't worry. If it is not available, then we require to make sure alternate is not here. Yeah, clear? Any doubt about this one? Can you please confirm? Is it okay? Yeah, is it okay? Just I kept only, sir, this is the h1 tag. Next one image I uploaded. Next and after that we are specialized. Next one unordered list and then anchor tag I took. Okay, home.html is ready. Home.html itself is ready, sir. Now, sir, if I click this one, then automatically the control will goes to this page. Okay, well, now here there is a big story is there. Okay, form I require to fill the form. Okay, like now observe carefully. Click here to register. Now this is the registration form is coming, sir. All fields are mandatory. Okay, like sir, this maybe h2 tag or something like. Okay, so first thing what we have to take is in our registration form, this is the registration. Okay, like sir, let me take sir form. Okay, let me take the form. Form is ready. Sir, what is the action and what about the method post? This one we are not required to worry much about. Okay, like sir, form is ready. Form itself is the ready, sir. Ready. Okay, like now in this form, just I'm taking one, just h2 or h3. Okay, like I'm taking all fields are mandatory. Okay, like now observe, all fields are mandatory, like I'm trying to take, sir. Yes. Okay, yeah, clear. Now is really is the form is going to be displayed or not? Yes. Okay, of course all fields are mandatory. Okay, well, now in the form, first which thing is required? Observe carefully, sir. Now you people should be aware. Name, email, and then age. Next it is the radio button. Like sir, let me take all these components one by one. If you develop this form on your own, then automatically, do you know something? You will get much clarity on the HTML. All the HTML things are going to be revised. Okay, like sir, what is this name? Name, can I use the word? Name itself is the label or not? I respond, name is the label and this one is the text field. So how to define label and how you can associate that label to our HTML component, you know already. First thing, let me create a label. Sir, label. What is the label, sir? Name. Name is my label. Okay, name. Sir, here name for, okay, like, sir, now I want to associate this name label for input tag. Input type is equal to text. Name is equal to, okay, username value. Have you remembered, right? There is a one important point you have to take care. I have to associate this name. Name means ID is equal to ID. ID is equal to. Can you please confirm, sir? Name. Have you remembered? ID is equal to name. So in the input name, sir, label for and the input ID must be same. Okay, like next, there is one thing I have to take care. Sir, how this enter name is coming? Anyone, can you please guide? I forgot. How this enter name, enter email, enter age, this one is coming? There are two ways are there. One is a default value. Second one is placeholder. One is the default value. Second one is the placeholder. Next, this one is disabled. And if I enter, automatically the cursor is locating at the beginning only. Okay, means is it placeholder or default value? Is it placeholder or default value? Respond. Placeholder. I covered already in the last sessions. Sir, this is not a default value. Placeholder. Okay. Placeholder. Yeah, that's all. Placeholder. Enter name. Enter name placeholder. Next, one more thing I have to highlight. Sir, all fields are mandatory, like you are telling. So compulsory this field is required or not? Is it compulsory this field is required or not? Yes, it is required. For that, what I have to take is at last required. At last required, like we have to specify. Yeah. So, are you feeling any doubt? Yes, do you have any doubt related to this one? Yes, required, we covered. What is the placeholder? We covered already. Username, something like that. Now, let me check. Is it going to be reflected here or not? Yeah, wonderful. Name, okay, like compulsory it's asking. Directly I can. I'm not required to remove that. Okay, like, sir, next thing, sir, what is the next one? As per original form, okay, here just observe that name, email, and then age. Name, email, and age. Sir, can I use the word all are text fields or not? Input text fields or not? Yes, maybe email and age all are text fields. Next, these are labels only. That's why let me copy paste these two lines again. Okay, so that yeah, again, yeah, this is for, okay, this is for name already completed. Second one, sir, email. Okay, email. Okay, email, like this I'm trying to take. Next, ID is the email type. Which type you can use? Email. If I specify the type as the email, what is the advantage we are going to get? Anyone, can you please confirm? If I specify type as the email, what is the advantage we are going to get? Validation is the biggest advantage, right? Okay, whether its symbol is there or not, domain name is there or not, it's going to check. Enter email. Okay, like, sir, this one I'm trying to take email. Is it required or not? Yes, it is required. Now the second one, is it displaying or not? Okay, now observe this one, sir. Email, perfect, it's working. But this email, I want in the next line. If you want in the next line, there is a way. What is that, sir? Please confirm. I forgot. BR tag I require to use. Here also BR. Okay. Well, what is the last one? Age. So here age ID is the age. Next, here age is the text. No problem at all. Age. Next, enter. Age is the required. That's it. Yeah, are you feeling comfortable? name, email, and then age. Okay, like some people may feel, sir, I want I want these things in the table form, very neat form and so on. Don't worry, that part we have to talk in the CSS. Yeah, any doubt? That part we are going to take care. Style wise, don't worry. Are you in the position to talk about the fields or not? Components, the basic structure, can you develop or not? This is what you should aware. Yeah, so up to this is the very clear for you people, right? Name, email, age. Next, are you interested in dating or not? Can I use the word? It may be H2 tag or H3 tag. Okay, let me take H3 tag. I'm trying to take H3 tag. Are you interested in dating or not? Okay, like I'm trying to take, sir. Sir, now here my requirement is, okay, what this one, yes and no, is it a radio button or not? Please confirm. Radio button, these are the labels, labels, right? Okay, now I have to take care. First, let me create a label for, okay, label for yes, label for yes. Okay, why I'm taking, sir? Sir, now is it is this one, is it radio button is required or not? Yes, have you observed, right? Radio button is required. Now input type is equal to, yeah, anyone can you please tell? Radio type is equal to radio. Name is equal to, of course, value is equal to, okay, yes. Let me take yes. If anyone click yes, internally which value will go? Yes will go, sir. Okay, like yeah. Someone is asking, sir, what is the difference between ID attribute and name attribute? Okay, ID means to link with the label. Name is the name of this text field. Yeah, next, this is for y. Yes, now I'm trying to take no also must be required or not? Yes, this is no, and n I'm trying to take. Next, here id must be required. id is equal to, id is equal to y I'm taking. Sir, here even you can take within double quotes also. Yeah, next, here also id is equal to no, n I'm trying to take. That's all. Okay, here no. Please confirm. Okay, please confirm. Are you in the position to understand this one? Okay, radio button, yes, no, yes, no, like I'm taking, sir, label sake, not validation. Okay, like let me cross check. Yes, are you interested in dating? Yes or no? Okay, so can I select yes or no? Only one thing. Is it possible to select both? Are you, is it possible to select both? Anyone, can you please confirm? Yes, sir. Oh, if I select both, meaningless. If I select both, meaningless. How I can solve this problem? Okay, somewhere I covered already. Both the radio buttons should be with the same name. Remember, both the radio buttons should be with the same name. That's why what I have to take care is, okay, name dating. Okay, here name dating, like I'm taking. Here also name is a dating. Sir, then automatically both the radio buttons, sir, belongs to same name. Then if you select the first one, you can't select second one. If you select the second one, you can't select the first one. Exclusively only one option will be selected. Okay, like yes. Now Let me cross check. Is it going to be happen or not? Yeah. Yes. No. Yes. No. If I select one, automatically second one by default will be gone. Anand, placeholder, I don't think. Okay. If you want to select by default, just you require to use checked or something like. Okay, selected or checked by default. Default value. How you can? Somewhere we covered, right? Checked. Sir, by default, can you please checked? Checked. Okay, checked for yes. Can you please checked for yes? Okay. Now have a look once. Okay, default is I don't want checked for yes. By default, checked for no. Checked for no, sir. Okay, like now observe. By default, it is selected no. I don't want no, then automatically like. Anand, getting the point? So if you want to make something as checked by default, then you can use this one. So radio button is also ready. Okay, how you can use it? Sir, any doubt about this radio button functionality? Yeah. Can you please observe the thing? Sir, this is the H2 tag or H3 tag. Next, yes is the label, no is the label, but both belongs to. So both belongs to. Okay, like if both are belongs to same radio button, that's why exclusively you can select only one value. Sir, if both are checked, Vardhan, meaningless. HTML may cry or HTML may give left and right. Okay, if both are checked, then so it is going to give Vardhan something like Vardhan pagal ho gaya. Radio button, you require to select only one. How you can select both the things? Okay, I'm ignoring second option. Or okay, it may raise some error. But HTML is the very innocent person, right? It won't raise errors. Okay, Vardhan doubt is the too much. Okay, let me take a checked and let me take a checked. Both the things are checked. By default, what will happen? Have you observed, right? So first one is going to be override. Second one is considering. Second one is considering. First one is not. Okay. If I remove second one, then automatically, have you observed, right? Only first one is selecting. If I remove both the things, what will happen? Then automatically nothing is default. Clear, right? Okay, so that's all. Next, Viru is asking, sir, I want the first radio button and then label. I want first radio button and then label. This is the doubt for the Viru. Viru doubt is, I want first radio button and then label. What I have to take is observe carefully. Array first define first radio button and then label. Okay, and then label. Sir, same first radio button and then label. Okay, yeah. Can you please cross check? Now let me keep as it is. Okay, let me open another page. Observe carefully. Yeah. Hey, Viru, getting the point? Yes, observe that. First radio button is coming and then like, yeah, just change the order. Okay, well. Sir, what is the next thing I have to take in our original? So radio button, okay. Yeah, your expectations like, okay. So maybe let me take H3 tag. H3 tag, your expectations like, okay, like, sir, can you please tell what these ones are? Okay, in the HTML, sir, like, what is these things? Can you please confirm your expectations like what these things? It is the select box or drop down box. Somewhere I covered drop down box or select the box. Okay, like how you can define this one? Select. Have you remember, right? Select we require to use. So in that select we require to use in that sir option. Okay, what things will be there, sir? Do you know option is there? Okay, like sir, first one, it is the display form Khatirna Kaif. Okay, value, if I select that value, which thing will go to the back end? Okay, like yeah, sir, I want this type of line, same line in the next. What I have to take? I told, right, one shortcut I told, shift control shift D, control shift D, like sir. Second one, not Katrina Kaif, Sunny Leone. Okay, Sunny, sorry, Leone. Okay, here just I'm taking Sunny. Yeah, any other names you can, so need not be Kajal, Telugu people, Kajal Agarwal. Ayo, very recently this lady got married. Yeah, Kajal. Any other? Tamanna. There are some very hardcore fans are there, it seems. Tamanna. Tamanna. Okay, like I took, sir. Sir, 4 options. Okay, like I'm just taking. Sir, this is the display value, and whenever we select this one, automatically to the back end, which thing will go? These values will go. Name, expectations. Okay, expectations. Okay, like I took, sir. Okay, like sir, who is going to use this name field? Anyone, can you please confirm? Who is going to use this name field? Yeah, backend person, to know which value he selected, and user selected, to know that. Okay, let me cross check. Okay, your expectations like Katrina Kaif, Sunny Leone, Kajal, Tamanna, something like I took this one. Is it clear, right? Next, is it by default how many options we can select? Yeah, by default how many options we can select? Only one option, only one option. Is it possible to select multiple options or not? Yes, if you want multiple options, then you have to provide multiple. Okay, like then you have the chance to select multiple people also, multiple option also. Okay, like, but by default only one. Okay, well, any doubt? Are you feeling comfortable? Okay, we covered already in the last sessions all these. I don't think you people are going to get some difficulty to understand. Okay, your expectations like completed. Next, how many marriages you want? How many marriages you required? Okay, like sir, it is again H again. Okay, sir, here H3 tag. Yes, how many marriages you want? Here, observe that carefully. Again, drop down 1 2 3 4. Okay, 1 2 3 4, like yeah. Pavan Kumar, yes. Is the name field like a variable? Yes, correct. In the backend, by using that variable, he will get the data. Okay. Next, someone is asking about this one. Yeah, can you please what to do if we need to select any two if not one? Any two if not one. So by default, HTML having the options like one or multiple. Okay, I want to select only two options. I want to select only two options. Okay, only two. There is no way. Okay, there is no way, but you can select two like but only two, no such type of option. Yeah, Krishna Reddy, your doubt is how to select a multiple or exactly two options only he has to select? What is your requirement? Exactly two. Then what will happen? You require to write a JavaScript function, how many values you got selected. If you are not selected exactly two, immediately it's going to raise alert message saying please select exactly two options. We require to add that functionality by using JavaScript. Remember, getting right? So HTML is always talks about only structure. If you are expecting some functionality, then you require to go for JavaScript. If you are expecting some style, then we have to talk about CSS. Observe the difference clearly. Okay. Now here again 1, 2, 3, 4. Again 1, 2, 3, 4. Is it a drop down or not? Yes, it is a drop down box. Select a box again. Okay, it is the drop down. Again, it is the drop down. Sir, what I have to take is select a box. Okay, like select. Do you know here we are not required to write much code. Automatically will be generated, right? Select. Okay, sir, how many number of marriages? Number of marriages. NOM. Okay, like I'm taking any name you can use, no problem at all. Here also option. Here also option. Sir, here one option 1, 2, 3. Okay, like 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, and then 4. Okay, now internally which value will go? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, like yeah, perfect. Clear, right? Okay. Now here just let me take 1, 2, 3, 4 something like okay 1, 2, 3, 4 something like sir. Here there are two doubts are there. What is my doubt is, sir, if I want to select a multiple options, yeah, here your expectations are like okay, can I take multiple? Then automatically if I select a multiple, what will happen? Yes, control, you can select any number of things, correct, right? Any number of things you can. Next, sometimes my requirement is, boss, by default one is coming, sir. One is coming. How to select the default option in select box? How to select default option? Default option in select box. Okay, like now the default value select element can be set by using selected attributes on required option. Selected attributes on required option. Assume that number of marriages, how many I required? 4 by default selected. Okay, what will happen? Earlier it is showing, okay, just observe that by default 4. Have you observed? By default 4, by default 4 it is coming. Someone is asking, sir, here default value 4, by default it is showing 4 selected. Okay, if you are going to select some other, then this one will be gone. Any doubt? Can you please confirm? So from these two drop down boxes, are you facing any difficulty to understand? Yeah, Sai is asking something like yes, Sai doubt is observe that. Okay, sir, in drop down I want to keep default value as select any one. Default value as select any one. Okay, like why not? Why not? You can use select any one. You can use here. Just I'm trying to take. Okay, select any one. Select any one. Okay, like I'm taking, sir, select anyone. Okay, selected. Here none. If he selected this one, then automatically what will happen is none will go. Okay, none will go, something like that. Now observe. Now have a look once. Yeah, select anyone. 1, 2, 3, 4. Select anyone. 1, 2, 3, 4. Getting right? Even can I keep this option? Yeah, the first option. Can I keep this option? Yeah, the first option. Why not? Observe that. 1 2 3 4 3 I required, 4 I required, something like. Yeah, if we use multiple selected, the last selected thing is going to be considered pavan if you are not using multiple. Pavan, getting right? So observe that whatever you had requirement for, everything option is available. Yeah, Vardhan. Then someone by mistake, if is not selecting anything, just only this one is selected. By using JavaScript function, I will send the alert message saying, please select one option for this field, like you can ask. JavaScript can be helpful in that case. Vardhan, placeholders are not applicable here. Amruta. Okay. Yeah. Next, here see this one, sir. This one completed. Next, are you heavy alcoholic or not? Are you heavy alcoholic or not? Yes, no, only on weekends. Yeah, what is the, sir, again which tag I required to take? H3 tag. H3, are you heavy alcoholic or not? Okay, well, sir, anyone, can you please tell, sir, here which thing must be required? Yes, no, only on, something like only on weekends. Okay, here what I'm trying to take, sir, input type is a checkbox. Input type is a checkbox. Name is any name you can take, of course, alcohol. Okay, alcohol. Alcoholic, alcohol. Okay, like I'm taking, sir. Value, sir, here value, which value, if I select this one, which value is going to come? Yes. Okay, here, yes, yes, I'm taking. Even if you want, you can take label also, no problem, right? Okay, next, can I take one more line? Yes. Okay, second one, no, I'm taking here. No, sir, no, here I'm trying to take only on weekends. Only on weekends. Okay, like only on weekends. Yes, here, yes, no, sir, weekend, like I'm taking. Can you please confirm, am I going to get this one or not? Yeah, are you heavy alcoholic or not? Yes, no, or only. Anything you can select, of course. Here, actually for this you can use a radio button. Actually for this you can use radio button, yes or no, or only on weekends. But why I'm using checkbox here is you have to familiar with that option also. Okay, that's all. Clear, right? Are you feeling comfortable? Okay, next, next, sir, what is the next field I had here? Yeah, your preferences and extra information. Yeah, we can use even this yes, no, only on weekend. You can take check boxes, I mean labels also, no problem. You can do that, Rajesh. Labels also we can do. Yeah, next, your preferences and extra information. Okay, like, sir, now here let me take, that is the next tag, H3, your preferences and extra information. Sir, how I can take this one? I forgot, I don't know. Yeah, how I can take this one? Anyone, can you please tell? Yes, this is not a paragraph. Hey, this is not a paragraph. Okay, what I have to take? A text area. Text area, remember this one, text area. Okay, like name, 8 columns. Okay, like text area. Okay, like, sir, by default 8 rows and 80 columns in every row it will come. 1 minute, let me take your preferences and extra information. Happily you can take max, sir, 8 rows you can take. Okay, display form, 8 rows you can take. Next, at last, what I have to take care? register submit button. I require to take care. 1 minute. Yeah, take next. What I have to take? Input type is equal to submit. Input type is equal to submit. Value is equal to register. Okay, yeah. Can you please confirm? Register button is also coming. Yeah. Sir, are you feeling comfortable about this? Yes, friends. So almost our total HTML got revised. How you can define text area, how you can define checkboxes, drop down menus, next radio buttons, how you can, next how to implement required, all these things, right? Okay, well, next on submit. Yeah, Viru, what you are down? Good. If I select a two, what was? If I select, yeah, if I select a two, where? Yeah, someone is asking about Viro. Your doubt is if you select a two, immediately I'm expecting some alert message. Is it your requirement? Is it your requirement? In the marriage list, yeah, if you select a two, some alert message if you are expecting. Okay, yes, you can, but only thing is to validate whether you selected two or not. If you selected two, provide some alert message. This type of thing is possible by using JavaScript. Getting right? Yeah, some functionality front end, some functionality if you want to learn, better to go for JavaScript. Okay, like so clear. Next, the last, suppose here I have to enter. Okay, now listen carefully, sir. Sir, here I didn't enter anything, just a register. I'm trying to register. Immediately it's asking, please fill out this field. Because why it's asking please fill out this field? The reason for that, we maintained that as the mandatory. Okay, required tag. Sir, okay, Durga, I entered. Register. Please enter. Okay, like so. Please enter email. Durga toc@gmail.com. Okay, like enter age. Some 60 years I enter. Are you interested in dating or not? Yes, sir. Sunny Leone. How many marriages you required? 4 marriages I required. Are you heavy alcoholic only on weekends? So no special preferences. Okay, like I do. If I enter, if I enter this one, if I enter this register, then it should go to the next page. But the next page I didn't define. Have you observed, right? Next page I didn't define. Where I have to define next page? Yeah, where I have to define next page? The next page should be defined form action. Form action is equal to, okay, so thank you. Okay, thank you dot html, like I'm taking, sir. Thank you dot html. Sir, let me define thank you dot html. 1 minute, right click, new file. Okay, thank you dot html. Thank you dot html, like I'm trying to take. Yeah. Now html page, subtitle, thank you page. Thank you. Okay, here h1. Thanks for 1 minute. What message is coming? Already existing things, sir. Okay, existing thing already there. Okay, now only on weekends. Yeah, register. Thanks for registration. You will get match details soon by email. Okay, 1 minute. Here, what I'm trying to take. Thanks for registration. You will get match details shown by email. Okay, like we are going to get. That's it. Okay, let me check. Let me check. Let me close all these things. Okay, let me close. Sir, from the beginning, let me use a sir. 1 minute. Here just home. Here just control shift. Here C complete path. Just open this one. Yeah. Okay. Click here to register. Enter name. Enter age. Enter email. Next, yes. Something like Kazal. Select anyone. Okay. Yes. Next, register. Thanks for registration. You will get match details soon by email. Yeah, friends. Ashish is asking something. Okay. Anyone, can you please tell what is the answer for his question? What if I missed the mandatory section? Does anything pop up? Yes. I told, right? I told already. Yes, I showed already, right? If you are not taking this one, immediately it is telling that, hey, please enter. Ashish, because this field is required. Like only with HTML, even with JavaScript, colorful pop-ups also you can define. Possible. Yeah. Sir, please confirm in the home.html, register.html, thank you.html, are you facing any problem? What is the use of class attribute? Especially the class attribute is helpful in the CSS styling. So I'm not using anywhere class attribute here. Don't worry. Even it is generated by default, I ignored because class attribute is very helpful in the CSS styling. Okay. Clear, right? Yeah. There is a show. Here just observe carefully, right? Observe carefully. Let me go to home page. Let me go to home page. Okay. This is my home page. Home.html. Welcome to Durga Matrimonial. Click here to register. Enter name Durga. Enter age. Enter email. Enter age. Okay, like so. Select 3. Okay, yes, and then no special preferences. Okay, like a register. Yeah, thanks for registration. Okay, like now my question is take a bit special care. Now my question is okay, here have you observed how the data will go to the next page? I told, yeah, the part of URL it will go. Yeah, the part of URL it will go. Okay, like so why here have you observed, right? Username Durga, email so and so, next age, dating, expectations, and number of marriages, alcohol, name. Okay, like everything is there. So yeah, the part of URL the data will go. It is a get method. Have you remembered, right? This is the default method. Okay, boss, it is the secured. This data should not be visible in the URL. This data should not be visible in the URL. Then we have to go for what? Post method. At our childhood somewhere we covered already in the last sessions. Yes, here I hope here what is there in the register. Have you observed, right? Action is there. Method you didn't specify anything. If you didn't specify anything means by default get method is going to be considered. I don't want to get, I want to post. I want to post. Now let me take sir again fresh. Okay, 1 minute. Let me go to the home page. Home page, just control shift C. Complete path, control shift C. Let me open this one. Okay, next Durga. Okay, info, enter age, yes, causal, select 2, okay, no, airline, register. Have you observed? Are you seeing any extra information in the URL or not? Earlier, have you observed? Sir, this totally the extra information, but now there is sir, now this total data will be encapsulated in the request body and will send to the next target page. Default scrolling will come, Viru. If the list is the very large, default scrolling will come. Okay, next. Sir, someone is asking. Saurav Sharma is asking. Sir, here, observe that. Is there any way to verify is it provided email ID is valid or not? So for that, compulsory you people, compulsory we should require to use some functionality, either JavaScript or backend functionality we have to use. Either JavaScript or backend functionality we require to use. Okay. Yeah. Rajesh is asking a small doubt. This doubt is coming. Sir, name attribute is the same for all tags. How you can differentiate in the backend which name attribute is belongs to which tag, sir? Sir, simple. Name attribute is the same. Attribute is the same, but value is different. Have you observed? Okay. Here just observe that in the registration form, form action. Here just observe that here username, enter name value is the username. If you want to get the value entered by user means you have to use get parameter of username, get parameter of email, get parameter of age, get parameter of dating, get parameter of expectations, get parameter of num. Hey Rajesh, have you observed? Is it selected? So which value selected related to alcoholic? Get parameter of alcohol. Rajesh, are you getting the point? Here name attribute is there, but for every field different value I provided. By using this value of the name attribute, we will get the corresponding selected value. So what is the difference between get and post? Now practically I hope you people saw. Okay, next here there is just to take a bit special case, sir. Okay, here assume that I'm not doing any styling kind of thing. Here have you observed? I didn't do any styling kind of thing. Suppose my requirement is, sir, H1 tag wherever there should come in the blue color. H1 tag wherever there should come in the blue color kind of thing. What I have to take? So for that, highly recommended, better to go for some better to go for one. Okay, CSS. Let me take a CSS, right? abc.css. Any file, any name you can use, no problem at all. abc.css I'm using. Just observe that. Now here h1, okay, CSS I didn't cover. Just for your basic idea sake, I'm taking this one, sir. Basic idea sake I'm trying to take. Okay, h1. Here just observe that h1 I'm trying to take. Sir, now here my requirement is color. Which color you require? Red color, red I'm trying to take. Okay, sir, now automatically h1 tag will come in the red color or not? Can you please confirm? Either h1 tag is coming in the red color or not? No. What is the reason for that? We have to link. We require to link with the that CSS with the HTML. Sir, in the home, sir, here link we have to take, sir, href. What is the name of the CSS? abc.css. Okay, observe that. Automatically, is it coming in the red color or not? Oi, is it coming in the red color or not? Okay, well, sir, now my question is, sir, sir, here for the body, I want some green color kind of thing. Okay, here just have a look once, abc.css. Okay, now, so body, okay, like body. So now for the body, okay, like border, I want to give, sir, border I want to give some 50 pixel, some 50 pixel solid red. I want to use this one, sir. 50 pixel solid red I want to use. Now observe that. Now have a look once. Automatically throughout border is coming or not? Have you observed? Yeah, border will come. If you want, you can keep this one at the center, no problem, right? Okay, border is coming. Next I want background. Okay, now if I click this one, array, this one is the normal, this one is coming in the normal because I didn't link up that css okay, in the registration form. What I have to take is, okay, in the home.css, whatever css link is there, let me use even in the register.html also. Okay, now the same is applicable here also. Next, thank you for that also, the same thing I want to take. Okay, now have a look once. Yeah, automatically it's coming. This is like sorry, here Durga soft or Durga, like yes, enter age, no, like I'm trying to take something. Okay, no, here no, register, automatically it will come. Oi, everyone in the position to understand, everyone in the position to understand this one, clear, right? Okay, next, if you want, you can add some background images also. Okay, suppose something like something like I'm trying to take here body, sir, background, I'm trying to take background URL. Okay, URL, sir, you can specify which URL is required in the backend. Okay, which URL you require in the backend. Suppose here from the Google, just background images for my web page. Okay, like background images for the web page view all, something like. Okay, now I want mm, something like I want this color. Okay, seems to be this one is good. Okay, assume that. Okay, seems to be this one is good. Okay, click copy image address, copy image address. Okay, like now here URL, like this you can copy, just nothing here, just observe that URL, you can copy. If I can copy like this, automatically it should be selected. 1 minute. Yes, have you observed, right? Have you observed full color? We respond, full color is coming or not? Yeah. Okay, now here data gone, it seems it is not light, right? That's why register it is okay, data by default gone, text is not visible, that's why it is not that much good. Okay, what I will take is very light background color. I will take it. Okay, something like this one, let me take, or this one, let me take, copy image address. Okay, like yeah, just basic idea sake I'm taking, but there is a big story there to discuss, right? Are you feeling comfortable? Yes. Seems to be something good, right? Seems to be something good. Okay, a bit colorful. If you want this type of color, if you want this type of color style kind of thing, Better to go for what? CSS concept. That part we have to take care in the next video. Don't worry at all. But before that, some more extra things, if possible, I will add related to this one. So better to practice up to this. Okay, in the next, I will add some more extra things. I will try to take at least one more session on the HTML, and then happily we can talk about CSS in detail. Are you feeling comfortable?